On the roots and leaves of Florida mangroves and seagrass beds lives an incredible world of microbes, unseen but essential for the diverse life in these marine ecosystems. At the Florida Atlantic Department of Biological Sciences, I study the plant-associated microbiome to uncover how microbial communities support these ecosystems and how they respond to disturbances. My research team explores the biodiversity of these microbes and their unique roles in nutrient cycling, plant growth, and resilience to stress. We're especially interested in how shifts in temperature, sea level, and salinity could reshape these communities, and what that means for restoration efforts. For example, by growing a particular microbe that's shown to promote seagrass recovery or recruitment, we could apply it to current restoration efforts that so far have not been successful and typically only see 2% survival rates. By learning how microbes contribute to ecosystem health, we can use them as powerful tools to manage and restore South Florida's rich coastal ecosystems.